What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we're in the father-in-law's 2015 Outback, and we're going to be installing the Idoing Headunit. He's going to need some Apple Carplay in this thing. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this trim piece with some trim tools, and then there's going to be 2 screws behind here to pop this head unit out. So let's get to work. So we got the first trim piece out. Now you're going to want to grab a Phillips screwdriver. Alrighty. Well, we cut it out. Alright, so we're gonna unplug your AC controls. Just one plug. Now we got access to our head unit. You got 2 bolts from what I can see right here. One on the left, one on the right. Alright guys, so we got our 2 screws out from under there. We got the AC controls out. Now we're going to tackle up here and we're going to get this trim piece out. Nice.
It's just one more. Okay, so there's one more. Ow. Get that? Blooper.
You want to get that?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so there's going to be one more plug behind there. Once you pop that out, super easy actually. Outback is much easier than WRX or STI, that's for sure.
There we go. Just plug that wire.
And now we got another 2 screws at the top. We took out our 2 at the bottom. So we'll take these 2 up here. All right. And now the head unit should be coming right out. So we got our head unit out. Obviously, we're going to start unplugging back here the stock head unit out. So let's start unboxing the Idoing head unit and start plugging this baby in and seeing the magic happen. Right,
wow,
guys.
what a difference.
Literally, though, what a difference. Now, obviously, you can have your Apple Carplay, Andriod Auto. Literally, my go-to unit. Shout out to Idoing, by the way. This is definitely an amazing product. And if you're looking for Apple Carplay or Andriod Auto and your Subaru Outback, this is the way to go. Alright guys, so we got the Idoing here. We're gonna start, plugging in everything so we can, get into the Outback. Everything's usually plug and play, so we're gonna get to work here, start plugging things in. We're gonna, obviously probably put this in fast motion, but you guys can slow it down to really check it out. All right, guys. So we got everything hooked up in the back of the Idoing. We're hoping this is right, so we're gonna go head to the Outback and start plug and playing, and obviously test fit everything and turn everything on before we put everything back to make sure we got all the functionalities and everything working right. So it's kind of hard to get you an angle here, but we got everything plugged up. Super honestly plug and play, really easy. What we did was we honestly just guided ourselves with the pins, and you know, obviously just connected the pins where we thought that they should be connected, and like I said, everything was super plug and play. All right guys, so you can get these on Amazon. We just clipped our USBs, so obviously it'll always be nice and easy access just to plug your phone in and whatnot. So let's get this head unit back in, let's get everything back in, and let's get Apple CarPlay on. So we got everything connected, microphones ran, we got our USB cables. So let's get everything back in. Alright guys, so here it is. Idoing head unit installed in the 2015 Outback. Wireless CarPlay, wired CarPlay, wireless Andriod Auto, wired Andriod Auto. Comes with everything, a nice big display, and it looks super crisp.